I want to welcome you back to another video, and if it's your first time here, my name is Young Fizz. I also go by Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. I make a lot of helpful machine tutorials as well as other audio-related content. Today, we're going to be taking a look at iZotope's RX12. Yes, last year or a couple years ago, we took a look at the iZotope's RX11, and then now we are at 12 with some brand new features. So today, what I want to do is just talk a little bit about those new features and just kind of show you some things inside of iZotope's RX12. So if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. So whenever I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Without further ado, let's go ahead and look into RX12 by iZotope's, powered by Native Instruments. The link's going to be down in the description box below. So if you want to support the channel, make sure you click the links and purchase iZotope's RX12. We have 3 different tiers that we're going to go over right now. Now, I want you to ask yourself this question here. Do you ever find yourself dialing in a final mix, but you need the dialogue to stand out over the score? Now, if the answer is yes, typically that means hours of detailed and tedious tweaking. Well, we finally have a solution for that. It's called Scene Rebalance, and this is designed specifically for post work. This allows you to quickly fine-tune your dialogue, music, and effects as separate elements. It also allows you to make precise adjustments in seconds instead of digging through complex edits. It's definitely a huge time saver for small balance fixes and a lifesaver when you do not have access to stems. Now let's talk a little bit about the stems view. You can reveal a whole new level of control by breaking your audio into visual stems with scene rebalance, music rebalance, and the dialogue isolate. From there, you can target issues with precision using RX's full toolkit. If you got a little bit of mic rustle in your dialogue, you can clean it up instantly with de-rustle. If you're hearing a low hum in the bass, then de-hum takes care of it. Whatever the problem is, there's a fix. And when everything is dialed in, Stems View neatly combines your track, making exports quick and hassle-free. Let's talk a little bit about the rebuilt D-Bleed. Keeping your tracks clean and isolated is easier than ever with the newly redesigned D-Bleed. And that is basically powered by machine learning. You may see it abbreviated as ML. And it's more sensitive and precise than ever before. So even the subtle bleed, whether it's a click track or a full instrumental spill, it can be removed without the hassle. So the new real-time plugin lets you fix issues on the spot. So that means you don't have to wait. And you can forget the old workflow of setting up a sidechain reference track. D-Bleed can automatically detect and eliminate unwanted bleeds in seconds. Now let's talk about the rebuilt breath control. So in RX12, we can see a newly rebuilt breath control, and this allows you to clean up vocals and dialogue in less time. So the upgraded breath control uses advanced machine learning to accurately detect and tame breaths with greater precision. No more painstaking gain automation, just smoother and more natural results while preserving the feel of the performance. Now, we also have a new and improved music rebalance. So that means if your drums are hitting too hard, or maybe you have a vocal that's lacking some presence, or maybe you're a little bit heavy on the bass and it's sounding a little bit cloudy, the music rebalance real-time plugin allows you to tweak any element of your mix on the fly. So that means you can refresh an old track and get things ready for a remix, or quickly pull out instruments, or should I say instrumentals and vocal stems. You can separate the vocal, bass, and drums, and they're going to have more cleaner and more transparent results. And this is powered by the neural processing. So you can either work in real time or render offline. This workflow basically lets you adapt. So in RX12, we see an improvement for dialogue isolate. So that means you can bring back the clarity to mess recordings with enhanced dialogue isolate. So it's powered by the cutting edge neural processing. It delivers more accurate results, whether you're working in real time or offline. So from TV and film, TV and podcast, the vocals in your music, it helps pull clean audio out of noisy, reverb heavy recordings. So no matter how buried the voice is, dialogue isolate helps you cut through so every word comes across clearly. And I can tell you guys, this has really saved a lot of my recordings that I felt like just trashing and just re-recording because it was horrible. And I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to fix this. But you know, dialogue isolate has really saved me. So to me, this is a must have. So make sure you pick the bundle with the dialogue isolate that comes with it. Now we have a new feature inside of RX12, and that is going to be one called Trim Silence. And basically what this does, it detects and deletes regions of silence in long audio files, eliminating tedious editing for podcast or dialogue mixes and field recordings. So I think this one is going to be, very useful for those people that have podcasts, and sometimes there's people not saying anything and you have a little bit of noise in the background and you just want to silence that. RX it basically detects that silence and it just removes it for you. So it just eliminates basically that tedious editing for you. So this is only a glimpse at the RX12. I mean, there's so many different things that this thing can do, but these are just some of the new features that I just wanted to highlight. Make sure you check your system requirements. Again, I'm gonna leave all the links down in the description box below. So if you want to purchase this or upgrade, then you can definitely see the links below to do just that. So the minimum operating system for this particular bundle, or I should say RX12, is going to be Mac OS Sonoma. That's a 14.7. It also works with Mac OS Sequoia, which is 15.7, Tahoe, which is the 26.4. It does work with Windows 10. In parentheses, it has 22H2. It's supported by a lot of the DAWs, so whether you're using Logic 12, Pro Tools 2025, Ableton 12, just make sure you read the system requirements. You have the different plugin formats it has, the AU, AAX, the AAX Audio Suite, VST3, and a lot more. And all formats are 64-bit only. And then you can also see where it has the pricing. So the product for RX12 Elements is just $99. The RX12 Standard is $399, and then RX12 Advanced is $13.99. For the Elements Suite, it's $149. The Music Production Suite 9 is $799. Then we have the Post Production Suite 9, which is $17.99, and then iZotope's Everything Bundle is $29.99. And then there's some upgrade discounts that you could see on the website. And that's pretty much it. All right, so I hope you have found this video to be helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the bell notifications. Also, all the links are going to be down below. And then again, if you click on the link, just make sure you do continue to destination. With my link shortening service, basically what happens is that it redirects you before it gets to the actual page it needs to go to. So just click the link, wait 10 seconds, and then it'll redirect you to where it needs to go. It's your boy Young Fizz, Mr. Dope Status on Instagram. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.